Hello everyone, greetings from Adventure in Career Consultants. Guys, today I'm going to discuss past perfect tense with you. But before discussing its rules, I'm going to show you a picture and tell a story. I suggest you to focus on the helping verb and the main verb. The story is about dance of Dane and Emily. So guys, let's start. Last night, Dane and Emily had danced in a competition. They had performed a salsa dance. They had practiced for 6 months before they danced in the competition. They had performed very well. Dane and Emily's friends were in the audience. Before that night, they had never seen their dance. In fact, Dane and Emily had never danced in front of anyone before the competition. After everyone had danced, the judges announced the winners. Dane and Emily had won. The judges had announced that they were the best dancers in the competition. Emily said she had never practiced so hard before. She was glad they had practiced a lot. So guys, you might have enjoyed the story and you might have noticed the use of had with the third form of verb in the story. So this is past perfect tense. Now question is, when do we use past perfect tense? We use past perfect tense when action of the past finished or completed. So guys, let's understand the sentence structure for the same. In case of affirmative sentences, the structure is subject, which is followed by had and third form of verb and object. Don't forget to put full stop at the end of the sentence. However, in case of negative sentences, not is added after had and rest of the sentence structure remains same. Guys, sometimes we get questions which come in interrogative sentences. Here, we start the sentence with had, which is followed by subject, third form of verb and object. Sometimes we get interrogative and negative sentences together. So in this case, the rule is we start the sentence with the had not, which is followed by subject, verb and object, and question mark comes at the end. So guys, this is all about the rules of past perfect tense. Hope you have understood. Hope you have enjoyed the story of Dane and Emily's dance. So guys, now this is the time of quiz. Today I am going to ask you a few questions which are related to story. You simply have to write their answers in the comment box. So guys, these are the questions on the screen. Hope you have given the answers. So don't forget to subscribe our channel guys. I'll definitely come with more videos soon. Bye.